Now don't write anything. I just want you to concentrate on what I'm going to show you. Good morning to all. Now turn off your mic when the answer is given to you. Okay, Shashwat, good. Children in between, do not turn on your mic because that will disturb the class. I will tell you what you have to do. I will just wait. Now I will show you something. You are not going to write that. Sri Mukilan, when I speak to you, listen, nothing to write. Don't write. You just sit up straight. Everybody sit up straight, nothing to write. I'm not going to make you write that. You have to observe only. All of you stand, stand. Yes. Sit. What happens, Iris? Stand. Those who are sitting on the floor, don't stand. Sit. Hands up, hands down. Hands up, hands down. I'm very happy to see everybody on the screen. Okay. Have a nice time. Enjoy the class. Okay, just look at the screen now. Just look at the screen. Do not write. We are not going to give you a prize for completing that. That's not for you to write now. Just let me go to the screen and the presentation over there. See here? Just read. Don't write anything. Observe the following sentences and write them in order in your classwork note. Now I'm just going to make a fruit salad. Okay, just going to make fruit salad. Okay, you don't write anything. And I'm just going to read. When I read, you will know that something wrong with that. Don't worry about it. Don't tell anything because I know how to call the children and ask you. Don't do anything right now. Okay, now, then I cut the fruit. First I wash the fruit. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. Children, B-O-W-L, don't say bowl, it's bowl. I enjoy the fruit salad. I mix the cut fruit together. There are 5 sentences. Somebody is turning on their mic. Let me see. Now listen. Just fold your hands and sit. Just fold your hands, nothing to write. All of you fold your hands, keep your legs down. I don't want, Jasiel, turn off your mic. No sending any message when you are in class. Okay? Now, I'm just going to ask one person. Dhruv, how are you, Dhruv?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, take care of your health, okay? Okay, children. Now, there are 5 sentences given. Okay. Ansh, can you tell, Ansh, John?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ansh, just look at all the sentences. Are these sentences given in order? Just see. According to you, tell me the first sentence from the given sentences. Which one will be the first sentence?
Then I can't.
No. 1 minute. Read all the sentences, Ansh.
Okay.
In your mind, which one you feel will be the first one to write? Okay, Ansh. Dhruv, can you tell me, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Yeah.
I wash the fruit.
Okay, very good. Let me go back. First, I wash the fruit. Now, you know, children, look at the screen. All these sentences are given mixed, like jumbled, okay? Now, Dhruv said, first, I wash the fruit. Now, don't tell anything else. What you have to do is take a new page in your classwork note. Take a new page in your classwork note and write today's date 25-3. 25-3 in the margin. Give the heading on the first line to TO2 MAKE, make a fruit salad. FRUIT SALAD. Just write the heading and wait. I don't want anybody to say anything. Just write the heading and wait. Do not write anything. Slowly, neatly write. Son, who's the Sachin? Have you written the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now. Sonak, Dhruv finished telling the first sentence. Can you tell me once again the first sentence? You're going to make fruit salad. What will you do first?
I wash the fruit.
Please write that first sentence, leaving one line after the heading. Write number 1. Right? From the given, listen here. All these sentences, write the first one. First, I wash the fruit. Number 1. Children, number 1. Kailina, that's not the way to sit here. You keep the notebook on the desk. You cannot keep your book on your lap. Ansh, keep the book straight and start writing. Sona girl, turn off your mic. Write the first sentence. First, I wash the fruit. Only that you have to write. Ansh, hurry up, Ansh.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you to start. Write the date in the margin and the heading to make a fruit salad. Kailina, be comfortable when you are sitting. You have to write in cursive neatly. Now, Jane, have you written the first sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what will be the second sentence?
Okay,
Jane,
ma'am.
tell me, Jane.
FIRST. Fish.
According to you, first I wash the fruit. Then,
Wash the fruit.
after that,
After wash the fruit, I paint.
no.
I paint.
Read.
The.
No. Read full sentence. Okay, Jemima, can you tell me?
First, I wash the fruit.
Listen. When you tell the answer should be right. You just wait. Jemima, can you tell me which one will be the second sentence according to you? Jemima, are you there? I just saw you. Okay. Arush. First,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the second sentence? First
Then I cut the fruit.
Very good. Children, after writing, first I wash the fruit, leave one line, number 2, then I cut the fruit. Don't worry because you don't know the answer. Only after writing so many like this, you will learn. Okay, don't worry about not knowing the answer. First, in your classwork note, you have to write to make a fruit salad heading. Below that, leave one line number 1. First, I wash the fruit. Leave a line. Number 2, then I cut the fruit. Very good. Now wait. So after washing the fruit, you are cutting it. Sanjit, are you there, Sanjit? Write neatly. Ma'am is giving enough and more time for you to write. Okay. Sanjit, not there. Okay. Now next person. Alvin, are you there, Alvin? Alvin.
Ma'am.
Oh, Sanjit is there. Okay, Sanjit. Did you write the first sentence in your classwork note?
Yes, ma'am.
Read that from your classwork note. What is the camera? I want to see you, Sanjit.
First, I wash the fruits.
Turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, some problem. My camera is not working, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjit, for you network, for him network. Read the second sentence. Read the second sentence in your classwork note.
I put the cut fruits in the bowl.
Now listen to me. What is the first sentence now? Read the first sentence. First,
I wash the fruits.
second one. Then.
Then I cut the fruits.
Okay, 1 minute, let me see. See, it's not fruits, only one. Then I cut the fruit. Now, why I called you? I want you to tell the third sentence now. Third. What will be the next sentence?
I put the cut fruit in the bowl.
Bowl. Very good, Sanjit. Now, children, wait. Very good. Now, when you read, you must read properly, okay? First sentence in your classwork note. First, I wash the fruit. See whether it's there. First, I wash the fruit. Yes. Second sentence in your classwork note. Then I cut the fruit. Now, Johannes Thomas, read the third sentence from your classwork note. Johan. He's not there. Aratrika, Sanjit finished telling the third sentence. Can you tell me the third sentence once again, Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I mix the cut.
No. Third sentence, third. 1 minute, let me see. 1 minute. Let me see. I put the. Read the third sentence from your classwork note. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. Now I will wait. You are writing continuously. We will wait after writing the third sentence. When you keep your pencil on your book, I will know that you have completed. Now listen, I do not want anybody to lift your notebook. Please listen to me, because everybody will be doing. I will ask you later. After 3, just little while you keep the pencil down and just keep your hands up and down so that it will not pain. Shoulder, everything just turn left and right. Okay. Dhruv, have you completed third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait, don't be in a hurry. Some children want to write, they can write, but no complaining that your hands are paining. Don't tell that ma'am gave a lot of work, hands are paining. That's what I'm asking you to do some exercise in between. Okay. Just write 3 and keep your pencil down. Abhisha, can you read 1, 2, 3 sentences from your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good girl, Abhisha.
First, I wash the fruit.
Good.
I cut the fruit. I put cut fruit in a bowl.
Very good. Enough. Only 3 sentences. See, only fruit. Okay. What is there you have to read? Fruit. Now fruits. Fruit. Good. Now 3 sentences she finished. Now I need 1 minute. Jeff, please read 1, 2, 3 sentences from your classwork.
Yes, ma'am.
By the time, 1 minute, Jeff, by the time other children must complete 3 sentences. Yes, Jeff.
First, I wash the fruit. When I cut the fruit, I put it in the cut fruit in a bowl.
Enough. Only 3 sentences. Don't be enough. Now I'm going to the next person. John Matthew. Ma'am forgot about all the sentences in order, John. Really, I forgot. John, can you help me? John, can you tell me the 4th sentence from the screen? Not on the screen. Yeah.
I mix
1 minute. 1 minute, John. I put 1 minute, John, wait. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. After that, what will you write? 4th one?
I mixed the cut fruit together.
Enough. Thank you so much. Yes, children, after cutting the fruit and putting in a bowl, I mix the cut fruit together, all the cut fruit together. I mix the cut fruit together. Very good. Now I want everybody to write that. I mix the cut fruit together. Rida, did you write 4th sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences? Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, read.
First, I wash the fruits.
Yeah.
Then I cut the fruits. I put the cut fruits in the bowl.
Bowl. 4th one.
I enjoy the.
No. Not that. Just see, I mix the cut fruit together.
I mix the cut fruit together.
Wait. 4th sentence is that. Okay. I mix the cut fruit together. Okay. Now, Ashwant is going to tell me the 5th sentence.
Ma'am?
5th sentence from the screen. Which will be the last sentence? I mix the cut fruit together. Tell me the last sentence now.
I enjoy the fruit salad.
I
enjoy the fruit salad.
Very good. I enjoy the fruit salad. I enjoy the fruit salad. Now please see.
Ma'am, Anshita, John, tell ma'am. Ma'am?
1 minute. Yes, what is your...
Ma'am, you put it in wrong order.
First I wash the fruit, then I cut the fruit. Oh, yes. There is a mistake. Fourth one must come first.
Put it in a bowl, ma'am.
I put the cut fruit in a bowl, then I mix the
Yes,
cut fruit together.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. See, I told you, no, check. We'll just do it. First I... One minute. First I wash the fruit, then I cut the fruit. I put the cut fruit in a bowl, B-O-W-L-S, bowl. I mix the cut fruit together. I enjoy the fruit salad. Please write fourth one up. Yeah. Please write fourth one up.
Am I finished?
Fourth one first. Anyway, I gave you the correct answers. Don't see this, okay? I gave you the correct answers. Anyway, what I told you is right. Anyway, you wrote it correct. 1 minute. Then first. I mix the cut fruit together. Yes. One minute, children. Children, 1 second. Let's see once again. First, I wash the fruit. Then I cut the fruit. I mix. Yes, both is correct. I mix the cut fruit together. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. I enjoy the fruit. This is in order. This is right. Yes, you can cut and keep the fruit in any vessel. Then you put it in a bowl and serve. Okay, don't worry about it. Both will be correct. Don't worry. Okay, both. You don't worry. What you have written is okay. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. Then I mix the cut fruit together. You can mix it in a smaller bowl. No problem, children. I enjoy the fruit salad. Both sentences, both in order is right. I mix the cut fruit together. I put the cut fruit in a bowl. Okay. Don't worry about it. No need to change and all that. Let it be. You can take it in both the ways. If you write, let me go back. If you write, I put the cut fruit in a bowl, that's right. After that, I mix the cut fruit together. Both can be. Okay, children? Don't worry, this also is right. According to you, how you make it. I cannot force you to do this, that. Okay, which one you feel like right, you can give the numbers. Okay, children? Now, I just want you to take your English reader. I just want 1 or 2 children to recite that, because long back we have taken the poem My Shadow, page number 81. Children, whatever you give answer like general answers, if it's meaningful, ma'am will not cut marks. Okay, ma'am will just see to it and ma'am will do it. Okay, children? Don't get upset for anything. Now, I want everybody to take your textbook page 81. It's already there in the system, but I just want you to read. Now, I told you many times, yes, now Jeff is going to recite the poem. Jeff, you have to hear. Now, wait 1 minute. Everyone must learn this poem by heart. When I ask you to do after just 7 days, April 5th onwards, anytime ma'am will ask you to recite the poem. That time, you must not look at your book. Okay, Jeff, you can look at the book now. Yes, Jeff.
Today I'm going to recite the poem.
My shadow. With
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him more than I can see? He's very, very good from the heels up to the head. And I see him before me. I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way
Enough. When I jump into my bed, see children, when you recite, there should be some life. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Very good, Jeff. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my head. Alan is ready. I just want Alan to read. Alan is ready. Alan, start the second paragraph. Yes.
Ma'am, I got by hearted, ma'am.
I learned it by heart. Okay, by heart, not by hearted. I learned it by heart. Very good. Alan, can you start from first?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than we can see. He's very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed.
Enough. Very good. Enough. Very, very good.
Thank you,
Please
ma'am.
clap from ma'am. Okay, big clap. Now, who is ready to recite the second paragraph without seeing? Now, 1 minute. Excuse me. Children, if all together shout like this, ma'am will never ask you to recite the poem. Now that Arush, are you ready, Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say the second para. I will make you all say, don't worry, but no screaming. Okay, be good. Good children. Yes, Arush, recite the second paragraph.
The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes gets up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all.
Very good, Arush, but don't run like a train, okay? We'll go slowly. Ritik Pranav, tell me the first one. After that, Cyrus, second one. Ritik Pranav, first paragraph.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of it?
More than?
More than I can see.
He is very like me, from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed.
Very good. Cyrus, the last paragraph. After that, Sujin. Yes, Cyrus, read the last one.
The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to go. Not at all like all proper children, which is always very slow.
Very
So
good.
sometimes he shoots up very tall like an Indian rubber ball. And sometimes he shoots up so little that there's none of them at all. R.L. Stevenson.
Very good. Now, the last one who is going to recite is Sujin. Sujin, tell the first paragraph, and Kanira is going to say the second paragraph.
I have
One minute.
I have
Sujin, wait. Sujin, all the children must get ready to listen to you. Children, get ready to listen to Sujin. Come on. Yes, Sujin.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. What can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed.
Good. Kanira, last paragraph. The funniest thing.
The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to go. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller, or he like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all.
Now, yes, very good children. Now, please stop everything. Complete all the work. Tomorrow we will do maths and EVS. And today you complete all your work. Close all your books. Stand, stand, hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. Hope all are keeping good health. Take care of your health. Bye, children.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Why?